Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to set up your Barakah Suite account. Now, if you have been following our previous videos, you must have watched how you can register and get onboarded on Barakah Suite. So how to do your setup now after you've completed that registration is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, these are all the modules for Barakah Suite. This is the interface for Barakah Suite. You have your dashboard right here. You have your accounting, HR, payroll, inventory. Mind you, this is an enterprise premium plan. So this is the biggest plan in Barakah Suite. You might not be seeing some of the modules right here in this video. So we'll have the inventory, CRM, fixed assets, projects, documents, budgeting, QHSE, halal finance, investment reports. These are the modules you are going to be seeing across Barakah Suites. Now, to do your setup, you come to account and you click on settings. Once you click on settings, it takes you to the settings page. Now here you get to put your company logo, and you can also make edits for your company name, just in case if you have made a mistake upon registration, you can correct that right here. Then you can also select a category, just in case just for editing purposes. Then you can add your phone number right here, and you can add your business address right here as well. Once you're done adding all those informations, you click on save changes, and whatever you've added is going to be saved. So you can see changes are saved successfully. Now you can go to user. Here you get to invite users to your platform. Now that is into your organization. You are going to have different roles in that organization, so it's better for you to work on the roles first, then we'll come back to users. So when you come to roles, you can now add your roles. Now you can see right here we have inventory manager. You can add other roles to these organizations, including accountant, what have you, HR, and so on. Once you've added all these roles, then you can now come to users. Now on this part where you have to deal with the users, when you are inviting a user, you are going to need to select the role that you want the user to work on. Okay, then also you can also select what do you want this role to do. Do you want him to be a read-only kind of personnel, or you want them to have access to admin accounts, warehouse, whatever it's there, you can do that. You can also put the full name of the person and the email, and you send invite. The moment you send invites, they get an email and they accept the invitation to your organization. Now we have workflow. Now workflow is basically just custom workflows of what you want to do in your organization. Now we have you can have your workflow diagram here. You have your state, you have your transitions. Okay, so you have also the name of your workflow. You can select where you want your workflow to, which document type. So we have one for leave requests, we have for payment, we have for purchase invoices. Basically here you can do everything that has to related to your workflow automations. Next we have our KYC. Here you have to just input all these important details, starting from your business registration number, your tax identification number, your bank verification number as well. Then you need to upload your certificate of incorporation, as well as your utility bill and your proof of identity, which is usually a national identity card, an international passport, or a driver's license. So once you are done, you click on submit for verification. You can save if you are not ready to submit, and if you are done uploading everything and you are ready to submit for verification, you can click on submit for verification, and it will be approved within 24 hours. Now we have integrations as well. Barakah Suite accepts integrations of biometric devices, which you can use in here as attendance clock in device. Also we have the POS device, which this POS device now can be integrated into the system, as well as your virtual bank accounts that is going to be rolling out soon. Now we have the branches. Now for those that have two different branches and run the accounts of the two different branches separately, you can use this option of branches to separate the two accounts. So once you create a branch on Barakah Suite, you'll be able to manage 2 different businesses of yours with one account, all you need to do is just come to your settings and add a new branch. Lastly, under what you can do here is to link your bank account. So if you have other bank accounts, apart from the virtual accounts that comes with Barakah Suite, if you have other bank accounts that you would like to link to Barakah Suite, you can do that right here just by clicking on link bank account, and you'll be able to link your bank accounts. That's all for what you can do to set up your Barakah Suite account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you will get notified when next we release another video on Barakah Suite. Assalamu alaikum.
Barakah Suite. One platform, one ecosystem, endless opportunities.